Nigga Chris.
My nigga Chris.
Cautious, I'm dying. Can't find her, someone to. Wait, skate spin on my dick like a Beyblade, my dick get hit her like AK, These voices beggars, they bases, Tie up your legs while you tripping like, hey. Wanna get done, I say this every day, These niggas jealous and, boy, you was bitter like medicine, Are you okay, bitch, Slay the pussy like. Can let me feeling right, baby, only for a night, come with me for the vibe, don't wanna get inside.
Y'all pussies ready?
Yeah. Pull at 8. Yeah, it's on this. Come on. Sit down.
Really do this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. Hold up. Alright, hold up. Let's restart that shit. There you go. Yo, no!
Wait,
What is paparazzi gang?
Yeah.
Alright, what's paparazzi gang? It's your. Why are you trying to match my fly?
It's your boy, Young Benji.
No, hold up. What's poppin' gang? It is your boy King Chris, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. So today, you feel me? We're coming with a little mukbang for you guys today. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why this dude's trying to. He trying to match my fly.
Yeah, look,
he's trying to match my cup sauce, my hoodie sauce.
I got green. I got this hoodie first though. Bro.
Yeah, then. All right. Reason why? Damn, all this sauce.
I got the sauce.
Sauce. Yo,
That was disgusting.
No, you can't be smacking, bro.
I didn't even smack. I said.
That's sad.
I sucked that in. I sucked that in.
Get out my beef.
Alright. Whatever, man. Bro, I'm tired of this box. They hating on a sauteed broccoli.
I wanted to call y'all in here. You know what I'm saying? Where's my rice? So I'm not sure.
I got some chicken.
If y'all are aware. Oh, you got your fork already.
Yeah.
That, I got jumped.
Fine. What?
Like I said, I wasn't sure if you're aware, but I got jumped a little bit ago.
Why?
Some fuck nigga, bro.
What's his name?
What's his name? Some bull.
You don't know his name?
His name like Jaquish or some shit. He would draw something. I don't remember. Jaqueer?
Yeah.
No. Actually, you know that shit was over a girl, right?
It's always over a
It
girl.
was over a girl. Reason why I got jumped.
You took his girl?
Yeah. I took his bitch.
Whoa. You're the man of the year for that.
And he got upset. Bro, it's probably like 8 people. No, I'm over exaggerating. I think it was like 6. 6 foot niggas ran up on me on one person.
That's on some Migos shit. Alright, yeah. Bro. Why would you say Migos? Because Migos only jump one person. To my knowledge, you only jump one person, and that's X. Bro, are you? My dumb stupid retard, Chris.
I'm gonna say both.
Bro.
And you know how many people already said that? Damn, my nigga Chris got jumped like X. You know how many people said that shit already?
Like, you just did that. I don't know how, like, I don't need it yet. Well, listen. Where'd boy go?
Bro, that nigga I think he goes to that one school, bro. It's like near that college.
What you want, Joe?
You want to pull up on him?
It's your call.
Comment down below if you think we should pull up on him. Let us know what you think.
Wait.
So when?
I beat up Mike Tyson in his prime, so shit. Pick up the show. I don't know.
You want to pull up?
What should we do?
We need more numbers.
You want to make them? You want to beat them up, or you want to make them say sorry?
We do both.
I'm down for whatever.
But I'm not sure the way it's gonna go down. It can go up on YouTube. I'll have this posted on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram already, make sure you follow me. Cause I'm not sure if I can post that kind of content on YouTube. So make sure you go to Instagram and follow me.
Most stuff. It's probably it ain't gonna be fun. It's gonna be entertaining though. Not for him, but for them.
It's gonna be good, yo. I'm telling you. Bro, I'm just really fucking up this food. Like, niggas.
Benji gonna jump off the car and jump on his head.
You know what I'm finna do? I'm finna have someone text him. Ask him to meet up. And then
Shut him up.
catch him by surprise. I don't like that way.
He gonna be real scared.
That's some straight fuck nigga shit, bro. Honestly. The thing is, they left me untouched.
They did that when you guys wasn't there, huh?
Hold up. Nigga need a bev. No, I got a bev this time.
No, man. He's running, huh? Is he not drinking that?
You're so dumb.
Look at you. I'm just saying this, man. What was the other guys? Was it just a lot of them?
It was just too many, bro. I couldn't
You
even. It was like I was on the ground, so it was like I didn't even know until the cop came in.
What girl was it with?
I mean, I used Jennifer as a makeup name to like kind of protect her, but there was some girl named Taylor.
Light skin shorty.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Fuck man. We'll pull up tomorrow.
Huh?
Don't matter. It's up to you.
You just gotta find a way to meet him. That's it. We gotta. Damn.
You still talk to her?
I called her not too long ago.
Mm-hmm.
Me and her, we talked things out. Cause you feel me? I don't like holding grudges and shit. So it's like we talked things out, and yeah, so me and her are cool. She blocked him.
So get on and set him up.
You know what? That's a good idea. We're gonna get her to set him up so me and him can finally have our 1v1. Yes?
Man, Man, that's gonna be a show. I was gonna pull up. Like, I'm undefeated in Wii Sports boxing. Really pause on him. I don't know. I don't care. I mean, I play Fight Night of Champions. I really does this.
On some crazy shit. You know what? If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me right now. Cause I don't think I can show that type of stuff on YouTube. So I think I might just live stream it on my Instagram. Like what X did with that one bull who owed him money. I'm about to pull up on some fun, nigga.
It's crazy, man. Now we gonna pull up on them since they want you got to yo.
You should bring more people.
Probably. You already know who I'm about to say. The biggest of them all.
Huh. We'll give him a phone call.
All it takes is one phone call. Oh my god.
You already know who we're talking about.
Yeah.
You already know what we're doing.
Excuse me. Yeah, man. It's up to you. I'm down with it. Tomorrow. The best cross game ever.
I'm gonna tell you. We're gonna find where he is. We're gonna find where he stays.
It's not going pretty pretty.
4K likes. I'll show the vid on YouTube. But I'm probably gonna be live streaming on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram.
What's that?
I'm gonna say karma's a bitch, and it comes when you least expect it. That was a good idea. Stay tuned.
You